Hey y'all, 3 more days. Over there in that basket. 3 days to launch day. It is what, Wednesday? It's Wednesday. We got big sis in the house. She's doing the cabinets over there. Basically today we're gonna deep clean. Like, why do I have this with no top?
You got a lot of them over here.
Gotta get rid of stuff. You know what I'm saying? And it's like, I feel like stylists love that. I mean, but if you want it,
if you're not going to,
Gerald, anything over there that you see and you like, oh, let me tell you could use in there and I used it, then they'll tell you what.
I don't want these protein treatments, but I'm so scared.
You know, you might need something a little mild, like softer.
And I know I need my hair to be stronger. These like hack empty things are like developer and stuff.
Cause it's
like,
more developer.
Yeah,
see.
That's
still right now. Oh, I really got them here. So I'm cleaning my cabinets out. We about to deep clean, wipe everything out, rearrange, reorganize, re-ground myself, and realign this whole entire space. So a little haul. My mom went to the store for me today. Oh yeah, I mean I use that, but that's why I got my phone.
So I'm saying I don't know what to keep or just keep everything.
No, I'm doing a little mini. My mom went to the store for me and got like some stuff, so she picked up these. These are like little trays, three trays. We got some bags for products today of. These are cute. 3, 6, 9, 12. Might need a little more. Oh, she got some. Look at me. She got some. I was just joking. Got some cute tissue foil. This is cute. Following the gold. Y'all know me. I'm a goldie. Me and my sister was talking earlier. They said they silver girls. I do not like these, but
I think chrome, honey.
Chrome. I'm gold. I'm this right here. Got some plates. My clients. Some little cups. Got a lot of these for mimosas. And that's it. So thanks, Mom. Appreciate it, girl. We did go to Target and get like some cleaning stuff, whatever, but I can show y'all that later, honestly. Like, no biggie. Oh, that was for one of my clients. We about to clean up, so I'll pop it. It's a mess. I don't know, I just feel like that might be too personal. Yeah, you just smile. You got this?
I'm gonna say that one more time for the people in the back of the room. Becoming the person that you want to be is not an overnight process. I don't know if this is the Quavo talking, but it takes time. What makes that time worth something, make it feel like something, is appreciating every single transition that you go through. No cap, no kizzy. Embrace it. Celebrate everything. Celebrate every difference you see. You feel me? On God and gang in heaven. Yeah, this is Nicki's favorite singer in the whole world on TV right now.
It's launch day. Cheers. Cheers, there's launch day. Suite reveal day. My lights are not working and I'm so upset because I wish my lights were working. Because I don't want these bright lights on right now. Anyway, it's 2 o'clock, the hour till the party. I'm calling it a party, but it's really like a stop and see, sip and see. Come in, get you some products, look at the new space, and take a pic with me to celebrate 2 years. So we are about an hour away. I just have to label a couple of products, and then I have to get my chicken. I ordered some chicken for everybody because people love chicken. And we got mochas, so I'm gonna set up the bar cart. It's pretty much set up. It's over here. It's pretty much set up. I just gotta get the wine out. But that's pretty much it. We freaking made it. It is the day. Nothing else. It's done. It's over. I underestimated this. I underestimated it totally, completely. I don't know what I was really thinking. I didn't budget correctly. But we made it. We made it, so that's all that matters. We are here, and it's lit. And my suite smells so good. I don't think, personally, I don't know what it's like to go to work and not like your job, right? It's some days where I have burnout, I experience burnout, right? But when I say like everything about my space, I love it down to the smell of it. I just love it. I love everything about it. I'm so grateful like I get to do this. Like, and it sounds so cliche probably, but when I say like I literally could not imagine like doing anything else, I really don't know what I would be doing. And maybe working in the shop somewhere else for somebody else, but I don't, it's just, this is just a unmatched feeling, I'm telling you. So I'm just grateful, like, oh my gosh, shout out to everybody that supported me, literally, like, my clients, y'all who watch me, my followers, my TikTok engagement, my damn, so even if you're just looking, you still are giving me a point towards, you know, just, I'm just happy to be here. And it's like, I've been here for 2 years. I've been doing it for 2 years. I've been doing it for 2 years, and I have stayed committed. And this is where I'll be until I am in my own space. You know what I mean? But this is a very good start to be in my own space, because my first space was my home space. So obviously that's my space. This space is still my space without the, you know, feeling of like I'm working for somebody or I'm reporting back to somebody. Like, I just, you know, they just get paid and that's it. But everything in here that goes in between that hallway and this door is all up to me. It's all me. In the next space, it's gonna be my space. Okay, so I don't know, I'm just really excited, y'all. So I'm about to label some stuff, set up the bar cart, and then I'll probably pick it up once like it's closer to 3, because I have an hour, so I really need to just like focus on what I gotta do. Oh, let me close the blinds. Let me see. Let me show you. So, this is what it looks like closed. I feel like this gives it such a like personal, like, we in here, nobody else. You know what I mean? Like, I love it. I'm gonna come back on once I finish up doing what I gotta do. Handle it.